Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm just going to demonstrate to you how to replace the key fob battery in this Mercedes remote key fob. The battery is situated behind this black cover, so we need to remove the cover to gain access to the battery. So first thing we need to do is we need to press this silver button here, which releases the emergency key fob blade out of the bottom of the fob. Now there is just a little clip just on the side of the cover here, which we need to press to release the case. So you can use your blade and you just pop it in, and you should be able to feel it or hear it click like that, and you can remove the cover. There is the little clip that you've just been pressing against. Now we just need to get a little flat-headed screwdriver because the battery is situated behind this cover here, and we just pop it underneath, remove the cover, and there is your key fob battery. You just move it from its housing like so. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR2032, like this one. We just simply get our new key fob battery and we just pop it back into the housing, making sure on this one that the writing is facing upwards and you know it's in its correct location. And now it's just time to pop it all back together. So you get your cover, click it in place. Now you get this one. Make sure everything lines up, click it back in place. And now you just put the emergency key fob blade back in. And there you go. It's all done.